So you want to know how to save money on Amazon purchases? So did I, and I found something good enough to share with you. So let's go. So after searching Amazon for a C920 webcam for a friend, I noticed the price was up a lot. I got mine for £25 and it was up at £70, and it made me think, how many people would have bought things on Amazon way over the price that they should be? So I searched and found Camel. Don't ask how I found it, I just liked the name of it and it made me laugh. You simply put the URL from Amazon in the search bar and it will show you over time the highest price and the lowest price it has ever been on Amazon. So for example, the C920 will show you it's been £129.99, but in sales it can be down to like £25. So my question to you is, have you ever spent over the odds on Amazon for something that you have bought right there and then? If you have, put it in the comments below, I would love to read it. And also put in the comments if I've saved you money, if you're going to purchase something and didn't because you've seen this. And lastly, if this video has helped you out at all, please feel free to press that subscribe button. It is free to do and you will be helping me out immensely. Also, if you are buying anything on Amazon, click one of my Amazon affiliate links below and I will get a percentage of whatever you buy. You'll be helping me out. Thanks for watching this, your bargain bin of entertainment, and I will see you in the next video.